History of Cape Craft: nurturing a boating legacy. Founded on a deep-seated passion for boating, Cape Craft has evolved into a leading name in the boating industry. The company's rich heritage is rooted in a commitment to craftsmanship and innovation, with a focus on designing and building high-quality boats that offer exceptional performance and durability. Best inventions: meticulous craftsmanship and innovative design. Cape Craft has become synonymous with excellence in boat manufacturing. Each vessel is meticulously crafted, utilizing advanced materials and construction techniques. From sleek hull designs to thoughtful layouts, the company prioritizes both functionality and aesthetics, producing boats that stand out on the water. Notable among their innovations is the diverse range of boat models, including center console, fishing boats, bay boats, and skiffs, each tailored to specific needs and preferences. Recent developments: advancing boating experiences. Recent developments at Cape Craft showcase a continued commitment to advancing boating experiences. The company remains at the forefront of design and technology, ensuring that every boat meets stringent quality standards. The emphasis on versatility, reliability, and affordability is reflected in their diverse product range, enhancing the joy of boating adventures for enthusiasts around the world. Current status: customer-centric excellence. Cape Craft's current status is marked by a customer-centric approach, where customer satisfaction is paramount. The company prides itself on providing exceptional service and support, with a knowledgeable team ready to assist boat owners at every stage of their boating journey.